In this quick video tutorial, you will learn how to correct common mistakes through layer management skills. You will be introduced to the inverse selection command and the layer visibility eye. The first thing you need to know is where the pixels you want to change are located. You can determine which layer you place the pixels on by turning on and off the visibility eye on the different layers. In this case, I can see that the rogue pixels, or the unwanted pixels, exterior to the outline of the object, are located on the paint layer. Once you've determined where the unwanted pixels are located, you will turn off that layer to obtain a clean selection of the area. Make sure that the background layer is now the current layer. Use the magic wand tool to select the inside of the chair. Hold down the Shift key to add to the selection and pick the chair base. Now turn back on the paint layer. You can see that just the inside of the chair outline is selected. To select the opposite grouping of pixels, rather the pixels on the outside of the chair only, we can do this by going to the Selection pull-down menu and choosing Inverse. We now have all of the pixels outside of the chair outline selected, including the unwanted rogue pixels. To fix the unwanted red pixels outside of the chair outline, make the paint layer the current layer. Next, use the brush tool. Make the settings as follows. Make the foreground color white, and on the Options panel, mode should be normal, opacity 100%, and flow 100%. Remember, it is imperative that you paint the white replacement pixels on the layer that contained the unwanted red pixels, and make sure that's the current layer before you add the replacement pixels. To recap, layer management is the key strategy to pixel organization and for easily modifying unwanted graphic elements. Always keep the background layer clean, and you can avoid any issues with pixel placement located in the wrong areas of the composition. Thank you for watching this video. Cheers!